forms of money, but suppose when we are talking in English, we should keep in mind that we are giving money in which form. अब मैं जब बताऊंगी then it will be clear to you कि पैसे को हम दे कैसे रहे, किस किस टर्म में, किस फॉर्म में. सॉरी, suppose when you are giving money in a temple or at a temple or church, then it is called a donation. When you are giving money in your school or college, then it is called fee. ठीक है. When you pay to the government, suppose when you pay some money to the government, then this is called tax. Okay. Illegally received for a service, or illegally received, or illegally when you give for a service, then this is called a bribe, to bribe someone. ठीक है, जिसको हम रिश्वत बोलते हैं. पेड टू अ किडनैपर, ठीक है, किडनैपर को दिया हुआ पैसा is called ransom. And you give to your children, suppose when you give money to your own children, this is called allowance. ठीक है, जेब खर्ची के लिए पैसे देते हो. सो borrowed from a bank, when you borrow from a bank and वो जो मनी आपको रिसीव होती है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ लोन. ओके. एंड फॉर अ डे वर्कर, सपोज इफ अ वर्कर इज वर्किंग फॉर द डे, दिस इज कॉल्ड वेज, मजदूरी, जिसको हम इन पंजाबी भी कॉल इट कि उसकी दिहाड़ी है ना, 700-800. सो डेली वेजेस के लिए, सो वी कॉल इट वेज. एम्प्लॉयर गिव्स यू सैलरी, एम्प्लॉयर when gives salary to the employee, so this is called salary. ठीक है. So employer जो पैसा employee को दे, this is the form is called salary. And in a court, ठीक है, when you pay something in a court is called fine. And in case of divorce, the money which has been received by a girl or a boy, this can be alimony. Okay, so this